At first, the Smith chart looked complicated. Just circles, curves, and strange symbols. Now you know. It's one of the most powerful tools in RF engineering. Throughout this playlist, we explored the Smith chart from the ground up. We learned how normalized impedance, reflection coefficient, resistance circles, reactance arcs, admittance, and VSWR all fit together into a single graphical tool. We also discovered how impedance moves along transmission lines and how the Smith chart visualizes every transformation without requiring lengthy mathematical calculations. Most importantly, we saw that the Smith chart is not simply a diagram, it is a practical engineering tool used to solve real RF design problems. As the course progressed, we applied the Smith chart to impedance matching using series components, shunt components, transmission line transformations, single stub matching, double stub matching, and practical matching networks. We also learned how modern vector network analyzers, VNAs, display measured impedance directly on the Smith chart, allowing engineers to compare theory with real hardware during RF testing. Together, these concepts form a complete workflow for analyzing, designing, measuring, and optimizing RF circuits. Intuitively, think of the Smith chart as a navigation map for RF impedance. Instead of solving every problem with equations, engineers can visualize where they are, where they want to go, and how each circuit element moves the impedance toward the desired destination. Physically, whether designing a Wi-Fi antenna, tuning a 5G power amplifier, optimizing a satellite communication system, or measuring a microwave filter with a VNA, the same Smith chart principles guide every impedance matching decision. Mathematically, the Smith chart transforms complex impedance equations into an intuitive graphical representation, allowing reflection coefficient, impedance, admittance, VSWR, and transmission line behavior to be understood within one unified framework. The Smith chart remains one of the most widely used tools in antenna engineering, microwave circuit design, RF integrated circuits, wireless communication, radar systems, satellite communication, and 5G infrastructure. Even with today's advanced simulation software, professional RF engineers continue to rely on the Smith chart because it provides immediate physical insight into impedance behavior. Mastering this tool builds a strong foundation for more advanced topics such as microwave networks, filters, amplifiers, and antenna array design. You now have the knowledge needed to read the Smith chart, interpret RF measurements, analyze transmission lines, and design basic impedance matching networks. A common misconception is that mastering the Smith chart means memorizing circles and arcs. In reality, the real skill is understanding how RF energy behaves and using the chart to visualize that behavior. In the next playlist, we'll begin EM wave propagation, where you'll learn how electromagnetic waves travel through free space and materials, the physical foundation behind every RF communication system. Congratulations on completing the Smith chart mastery playlist. You now understand how to visualize impedance, analyze reflections, design matching networks, and interpret real RF measurements using one of the most important tools in microwave engineering. In the next playlist, we'll begin EM wave propagation and explore how electromagnetic waves travel through the real world.